We're entering the front of the building at this time. The main entrance to the new high school. This area here. Enter the main office area. Right here is the reception area, and then a conference room behind that. First things you'll see is the administration offices to the right. To the left is the storage areas. Now we're entering the guidance office. The guidance office will have College and Career Center located here. The front of the entrance into the guidance office. The College Career Center will be to the right. This is the entrance to the nurse's office. In here with the waiting room, examination rooms, office space in here. Much larger facility for students and staff. As you walk into the auditorium area, all the staging is up. Keep it up. Now this is yeah. The auditorium has stadium seating. We have a rigging system for backdrops for spring musical, ball plays. Still on the first floor down the hall from the office area. These are one of two art rooms with a storage room in between. Storage room here. A lot of window space in both art rooms. Here is the chorus room, which backs up to the auditorium. There'll be an entrance from this room into the auditorium. And in the middle between this room and the next room is a office space, storage space, and also a small individual practice room to be in this area. Now we're entering the band room. Again, there's another entrance to the back of the auditorium. To your right, you're entering a physics room. Common prep room between two classrooms. A rack up on the ceiling for electrical pull down. Physics room. Now we're entering the manufacturing room.
79.5. 79.5. 79.5.
It's a TV production studio.
All right.
There'd be a movable wall in the middle. It's a regular classroom. And each classroom has a an active board in it. Windows also in it that will crank out. This is a regular classroom. Another regular classroom here. Here's our foods room. Foods room, which will lead into clothing room, creative crafts. This is our life skills room. Contain a bathroom, contain a kitchen area. Bathroom that's included in the chemistry classroom here. Just film this.
Watch your step out here.
This is film this. To your right, step right there. To your right is the outdoor classroom. To the left is the outdoor basketball court. Right here. And if you scan over to the right, you'll see the current high school. And close proximity is to this high school. Going up to the second floor, this part of the building has 2 floors. Excuse me. And science rooms. It's an environmental science room. Again, common prep room in between. There are 4 rooms in a row here, very similar. Each room has a greenhouse straight ahead. And there are 4 of these rooms right in a row. It's the first of 2 computer labs. These are cabinets for the school. Oh, for just the classroom itself.
Classrooms and science rooms.
Oh, so for this floor.
Yeah.
Now straight ahead, the lockers over here to your right. Academic development room. Another regular classroom here. You see the ceiling starting to be installed. Light structures are being put up. To your left, you'll see the cabinets that are already installed. Most of the ceiling tiles have been installed. Entering now special education offices, teen chair, school psychologist, speech and language pathologist, conference room will be located in this facility. CAD room area here. Large group presentation room. This room could be used for classes, working together on projects, speakers, meetings. We have an active board in here as well. You can move furniture in and out of this room. We're going to be walking into the bridge area. There'll be an elevator to your left. area, as you look out to the right, you can see the field is all the glass area here. And as you walk towards the railing, that'll be the commons area. And this is where the students will have lunch in this area here. A large group space here. Public functions as well being held. Straight ahead is the library. The 3 teacher stations there. Computer lab as well as some relaxed seating. Again, looking straight out the athletic complex. Circular staircase that'll come up from the commons area. You could enter the library from that area, or the second floor going back towards the main class. This is above the auditorium. So the lighting will be straight ahead. There'll be a wall there eventually, but right now that's the rigging area for the stage of the auditorium. We're on the roof of section C. Some mechanical equipment on the roof. Straight ahead where you see the mound of dirt, that will eventually be the baseball field. And then off into the distance there is the current high school. Looking at the auditorium gym area. Again, the first floor area. There's be social studies classrooms in this area. And in this area here, you have computer labs. And these computer labs will be open to the school. Anybody, any classes can come in here and use them. Now exiting section B, and we're going into the commons area. To your left again, that's where the front door is. And there'll be now to the right here, leading right out to the athletic field. And now we enter the commons area. To your left, you'll see where the students will eat lunch. Over to the right, there'll be a student activities room. All the different clubs will have their own space in that room. Great entrance to the circular staircase, which will lead up to the second one. Now we're going to walk toward the phys ed area. The auditorium, the commons area, and the gym area are all in the public areas, so for the outside groups, they want to utilize it. Everything will be right in the front of the building. Straight ahead is a multi-purpose room. So in here, we have aerobics. There'll be some equipment in here. But this is an exercise room, etc. Just start walking to your right, you'll notice right. That's where the kitchen will be down the other end. Students go to school. Now entering the fitness room. This is where all the weight equipment, treadmills, things will be located in here. Large space here for both athletes and also physical education classes. Take a left. Now we enter the gym area. Significantly better than our gym. The bleachers on both sides. We'll exit the gym area and walk down a hall. These are permanent. You can't go.
I don't think it's that way.
Now you're entering the locker room. Okay. Girls. See boys and girls locker rooms. There's 2 locker rooms in each area. We have one for physical education and one for the team. Now you're going to go down the athletic hallway. This is where students are going outside to the athletic fields. They would change in these locker rooms and then exit through this door here for games and practices. To your right will be the athletic director's office. Storage space on both sides.